My name is Luke Mihok. I'm from CTC and I'm in grade 12. Some things about the program I'm at CTC would be learning electrical, obviously, and kind of getting a baseline for your trade if you want to go into electrical. When you come in here as your first year, you're going to be learning residential. And then farther in the years, if you decide to stay, you'll be learning more advanced things like commercial, industrial, stuff like that, higher voltage work. Some of the hands-on projects or experiences I've had in electrical would be a lot of hands-on electrical work on walls, panels, learning how to wire, run wire, learning the names of different tools, the names of different pieces of electrical equipment, receptacles, which would be your outlets, switches. You learn the baseline of everything. And with that, some of the experiences you have would be working with that stuff hands-on. My current program's preparing me for my desired career by giving me a good place to start, to be able to go out to talk to electrical companies and basically start from where I want to go. A career path I'm interested in pursuing after graduation would be a local residential contracting company and starting there, and then from there working my way up and eventually getting to commercial and industrial work. There's also kind of in the back of my head is military, because I've heard a lot about being able to use electrical in the military.